Hey, what's going on, guys? I want to do a review of the Royal Rocky Road Trip Blizzard. I just got a small cup here from Dairy Queen. It's got peanuts, marshmallows, brownies, and cocoa fudge, and just some vanilla soft serve. Let's give this a try here. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, wow. I'm having a fucking orgasm in my mouth. It's so good. Oh, yeah. Has the brownie, peanuts, really good flavor. It has a bunch of brownie chunks in this. I also taste that chocolate cocoa syrup really rich in this. I like that. A lot of it's at the bottom here, just a small cup. What do you think, Luke? What do you rate yours?
9 out of fucking 10.
All right.
Really good.
He got the same thing I got. But all right, guys, hope you enjoyed the review and take care.